Okay, back to the video right now. So we are done on looking there of the connecting path to the resting place of those remains of the dead that are buried there in that place for the cemetery for the rich, that path there. Coming from this station of the cross to going to this path here. The third station of the cross is here. So that path is between going to the cemetery to the rich is between the station of the cross number 3 and station of the cross number 4. So okay, this part. So this was the part that I almost got sleep there. Even though wearing a very rubbery shoes that it was thick. Even with Crocs when I tried it earlier, is in the path going to the cemetery for the rich is it's still slippery because of the sands and stones combined. If there's no grasses like to stick on the shoe here. Okay, so we are going to go here in this part now. So with a lot of dried grasses here. Okay, so we did that slip earlier with that part that has slippery sands and stones there. Because all we need to do is just to walk a bit slower because I was walking so fast last time. So that's why it happened. So I like this part because I just discovered that the uses of rubber shoes, no matter how expensive it is, it cannot control that part there. It's just the same cheap rubber shoes and the same expensive rubber shoes. Is that rubber shoes' purpose is that you will not slip on slippery cement or wet cement. That the rubber shoes has a limit, like with coming from these parts here. So at least that this place is preserved, so at least we can experience these kinds of experiences.